Sanskritam sarvabhashanam moolam mathrsthaniyam Bharatiya Sanskritehe Pratibimbam cha vartate. Maharshi Panini. Once Lord Shiva was doing the cosmic dance. At the end, he played his damaru for 9 and 5 times. The sound damaru made sounded like Varnas to Panini. He created 9 plus 5, that is 14 sutras. Manasa satatam smaraniyam. Manasa satatam smaraniyam. Vachasa satatam vadaniyam. Vachasa satatam vadaniyam. Lokahitam mama karaniyam. Lokahitam mama karaniyam. Sanskrit is the oldest language known to mankind. It is believed that Sanskrit have been orally preserved and unchanged for more at least than 2 millennia. Sanskrit is the official language of state Uttarakhand. The UN confirmed in a report that Sanskrit is the mother of all languages. 97% of the words are directly or indirectly influenced or derived by Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a language of mass media. Sanskrit is a language of global influence. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Ganana Andva Ganapati Gumbhava Mahe Kavin Kavinam Upavashramastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anish Shunmannoti Bisida Sadhanam Om Yo Brahma Brahmana Ujjahara Praneshita Kritivasa Apinaki Ishano Devasana Ayurdhatu Tasmai Jhomya Vishagritena. Sanskrit and maths have a very deep connection shown in many different texts that range in subjects from algebra to astronomy. In this presentation, let us look at a few examples of the methods ancient Indians used to calculate maths. Vidyaya Vindate Amritam, meaning learning bestows the nectar of life. Sheelam Sarvatra Bhushanam, character is the greatest ornament. Nasti Krodha Samam Ripuhu, meaning anger is the greatest enemy. Avicharitam na kartavyam, we should not act without thinking. Vyavaharena jayante mitrani, behavior makes friends. Vidya dhanam sarvadhanat pradhanam, knowledge is the greatest wealth. Adav ramatapovanaabhikamanam, hatva mrigam kanchanam, vaidehi haranam, Jatayu Maranam, Sugriva Sambhashanam, Valihi Nigraharanam, Samudra Taranam, Lankapuri Dahanam, Paschada Ramana Kumbhakarna Hananam, Ethati Ramayanam. Adav Ramatapovanaabhikamanam means Lord Rama went to forest with Sita and Lakshman. Hatva Mrigam Kanchanam means Lord Rama killed the golden deer. Bhagavatam is the ancient scriptures about Lord Krishna, which is also composed by Vedavyasa. These scriptures talk about the adventures that Krishna faced in his youth. The Bhagavatam not just talks about Krishna, but also about all the mighty forms taken by Lord Vishnu. The Bhagavatam contains 13 chapters, most of which are about Krishna. Here is a sloka summarizing Bhagavatam in just a few sentences. Ekashloki Bhagavatam. Ado Devaki Devi Garvajananam, Gopi Grihe Vardhanam, Maya Putana Jivita Paharanam, Govardhanodharanam, Kamsa Chetanam, Kauravadi Hananam, Kunti Sutan Paranam, Etad Bhagavata Purana Karitam, Shri Krishna Leelamrita. The story of Mahabharata is made short and explained in a few slokas called the Ekashloki Mahabharata. Mahabharata was created by sage Vedavyasa and written by Lord Ganesha. Adav Pandava Dhartarashtra Jananam, Lakshagraha Jwalanam, Jyute Sriharanam, Vane Viharanam, Matsyalaye Vardhanam, Leela Gograhanam, Ranecha Damanam, Sandhikriya Jrumbanam, Paschat Bhishma Karna Suyodhanadi Hananam, Etan Mahabharatam. Etan Mahabharatam. The story of Mahabharata. Thank you.
पिबन्ति नद्यः स्वयमेव नाम्भः स्वयं न खादन्ति फलानि वृक्षाः नादन्ति सस्यं खलु वारिवाहाः परोपकाराय सतां विभूतयः
गुणेष्वेव हि कर्तव्यः प्रयत्नः पुरुषैः सदा गुणयुक्तो दरिद्रापि नेशरे अगुणैः समः. The meaning of the sloka is we all must try to earn good qualities. Scholars say that a poor person with a good personality is rich and a rich person with a poor personality is poor.
गुणागुणग्नेषु गुणा भवन्ति ते निर्गुणां प्राप्य भवन्ति दोषाः आस्वाद्यतो याः प्रवहन्ति नद्यः समुद्रमासाद्य भवन्त्यपेयाः. Meaning,
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be presenting a PPT on the importance and history of Sanskrit in mathematics and a brief introduction to combinatorics. Pingala used 6 algorithms he made to derive combinations. Names of these which are Prastara, Nashtam, Uddishtam, Lagakriya and Sankhya Advayoga. This is a picture of the Mera Prastara or the Pascal's triangle as we know it today. Thank you.
It states Madvayam Badvayam Cheva Badrayam Vachatushayam Anapalinga Kuskani Puranani Prachakshate. There are totally 18 Sanskrit scriptures.
According to Sanskrit literature, there are a total of 7 holy places. We even have a shloka for it. The shloka states that Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya, Kashi, Kanchi, Avantika, Puri, Dwaravati, Chaiva, Saptaite, Mokshadayakaha. The meaning of the shloka is that Ayodhya, Mathura, Haridwar, Kashi, Kanchipuram, Ujjain, along with Dwaraka, gives us moksha, and moksha is the giver of holy place.
महर्षिः वेदव्यासः महर्षिः वेदव्यासः वेदान् विभज्य जगतः महदुपकारम् अकरोत्. वेदव्यासस्य पिता पराशरः, माता च सत्यवती देवी.
वाल्मीकिः सर्वस्मिन् विश्वे विख्यातस्य महाकाव्य रामायणस्य रचनाकारः महर्षिः वाल्मीकिः संस्कृतस्य आदिकविः मन्यते. एकदा सः ऋषिः शिष्यैः सह तमसा नद्याः तीरे भ्रमति स्म. सहसा क्रौञ्चमिथुनयोः एकव्याघ्रेण वध्यमानम् अवलोक्य करुणात् सह व्याधम् अवदत्.
अहम् अद्य संस्कृतभाषायाम् एकां कथां वक्तुम् इच्छामि. गुरुसन्मार्गदर्शकः. राजभवने एकः शुकः आसीत्. प्रतिदिनं पण्डिताः पूजनानन्तरं भगवान् नाम संकीर्तनात् मुक्ति इति वदति.
Good morning everyone, I'm Varshin and today we'll be looking at math in Sanskrit. Sanskrit has contributed a lot to mathematics and it has shaped modern day mathematics. One such contribution to mathematics is the Meru Prastara, which is known as the Pascal's triangle. We get this by first writing 1 in the box at the top and writing 1 in the boxes at the ends. We get the middle boxes by adding the number in the boxes present above it. For example, in the third row's middle box, we get 2 by adding 1 and 1. In the fourth row, we get 3 and 3 by adding 2 and 1. And in the fifth row, we get 4 by adding 3 and 1, 6 by adding 3 and 3, and again 4 by adding 3 and 1. And
the Sanskrit week was well planned, and I congratulate all the students. You have participated well. Each day your program was interesting and well thought out, and today the presentation by class 10 was really well presented, lots of information, and I'm happy to see that the Sanskrit students are actively involved in every year's the Sanskrit Day celebrations.